Let me show you how you can create an automated call every time you get a new lead or a client in Dispute Fox. So what you have to do is go to Zapier.com, then you click on Create Zap. The trigger will be Dispute Fox, so find Dispute Fox here, and the trigger event will be new client added. So every time there's a new client, that person will receive a call, maybe a welcome message. I already have my Dispute Fox account here, but you can click here to connect it. You just have to add the API key, which is in Dispute Fox. And then after you add it, you choose your account, click continue, test the trigger, and here you're gonna find the last client that you added in Dispute Fox. Click on continue, and then you're gonna be choosing Twilio. You have to get your own account with Twilio and set it up correctly. Then you're gonna choose call phone. Click continue, and then you're gonna choose your Twilio account. If you haven't connected it yet, connect a new account. It's gonna ask you this information. Choose your account, continue. Now you're gonna choose the number. You have to get a number with Twilio, not the test number that they give you. And in this field, you're gonna choose the cell phone number. You don't have to add the one here because it's already bringing that information. What you have to do now is you're gonna write the message that you want your client to get. For example, welcome to company. We are so glad to have you. Okay. Now, you're gonna choose the voice if you want a man or a woman. Let's choose a woman, and let's choose English as the language. Then you're gonna click continue. Then you're gonna test and review. Hello?
Welcome to company. We are so glad to have you.
As you can see, I got the call. Turn this on. And what's going to happen is that every time you get a new client in Dispute Fox, that person will receive that call. You can name this as welcome call and start using it. Thank you for watching.